Speaking of wanting to be healthy, what are 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts, to longevity and a long health span that you would share?
Move all the time. We live in a world that involves sitting, working at computers, whatever we can do to take more steps to move our bodies in multi-planar movements, incorporating movement with your world is a good thing. Instead of using a traditional lawnmower to mow your lawn, use the real mower that require you to push, right? Like these are simple things. It's all this. So how can you incorporate movement into your life more? It's that important. I would say another one is focus on sleep.
Sleep. Okay.
Yeah. Focus on sleep. Focus on sleep. So circadian rhythm. So go to bed on time, get up in the morning, go get light in your eyes. First thing, when you wake up, go outside, go for a walk, drink your tea, whatever the case is, but get your light in your eyes. That will set your clock for the entire day. That will increase melatonin production at night by getting light in your eyes during the day. Everything should be guided by the daily light cycle. So you should be eating your heaviest, most complicated to digest meal around midday. Sometime around 12 or 2 should be your heavy meal. And then you should have a little bit lighter meal toward the day. You should be moving the most in the middle of the day, right? So this is, if you start to just flow with nature, everything can come into balance. I had people, when I gave people this advice as a practitioner, I had some people that would eyesight improve because they finally got advice that says light is not a bad thing. Get it in your eyes. It'll actually do good things. Their eyesight improved. I had people that just lost 5, 10, 15 pounds without trying. That wasn't their intention at all. And the weight just came off because the hormones were in balance and online. And so sure, walking a little bit during the morning is good, but it wasn't it. It was the fact that their hormones started to shift and rebalance in a way that was healthy. To me, living by the light cycle is absolutely crucial.
Okay, excellent.